Hi everybody, this is a quick view of my high-end VR computer build. I wanted to show you this because it's a great build for running fully immersive virtual reality. I put it together about 6 months ago in mid-2016 and it's been running an HTC Vive in full room mode at a reliable 90 frames per second, which you need to avoid the motion sickness that some people get when experiencing virtual reality. Let's open it up and take a look inside. For the case, I used a Thermaltake Core V21 Mini ATX cube chassis, which you can see has plenty of room inside and has a great airflow. I've got an Asus Maximus 8 Gene Mini ATX motherboard, and it's powered by an EVGA SuperNOVA 650 watt G2. The CPU is an Intel Core i7 6700 Skylake desktop processor. I'm keeping it cool with this CPU fan, the CTYORIG H7 tower cooler. I like this cooler because it keeps my processor plenty cool. I'm not using an overclocked processor. I like the simplicity of not overclocking, and therefore I also don't have a water cooler, though I think this fan would be good enough to keep it cool even if the processor was overclocked. For storage, I'm using a Kingston HyperX Savage 969 gigabyte, almost a terabyte of SATA solid drive. And for memory, I've got Kingston HyperX Fury DDR4 DIMM memory, and that's 16 gigabytes. The case fans are BitFenix Spectre Pros, and they have blue LEDs, which just add a little bit of bling to the case. And most importantly, for running virtual reality, I have the workhorse here, which is the Nvidia GeForce 1080 graphics card. VR gameplay on this machine is fluid and immersive. It runs fast and very rarely drops a frame. I'm using an HTC Vive, but it would operate an Oculus Rift just as well. And of course, for non-VR games, it would be a killer machine. Here's a list of the components used in this build.